goons in offices. They took over. And I followed up in that letter as to what steps now to enhance sanity and service delivered to the public. What we had now to think outside the box. Now that these buildings were taken over, documents and government records were carted away and burned at will. I actually request this committee, Mr. Chairman, if only it could step out of this boardroom and visit that county assembly building and fifth the presence of the county assembly to Oldonyero. Mr. Chairman, in my letter I told you, in order to preserve continuity of the county assembly work and to allow the urgent repairs and security upgrades, the county assembly service board resolved on 15th July to relocate sittings to Oldonyero, which is one completely
destroyed by fire.
No, by goons.
By goons.
By goons supplied there. Mr. Chairman, what happened in Isiolo is not something you have ever witnessed anywhere else. That the impeachment failed to materialize in the Senate. So people, what from Isiolo, Madam Senator?
No. Are you lecturing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are.
Yes, Salat.
You are. You have to respect yourself.
Salat, you're out of order.
What you say out there, you can.
Just a minute, Senator. You raised a point of order. You want to execute it?
Chair. A very simple question. And I don't see why they are delving in that particular document that was on the 10th of September 2025. Procedurally, Senate. Yeah. So this issue of being taken round in circles, what I want as a Senate is accountability. Shake your head, clerk, if you want or not. Respond to OAG, period. We don't want to listen to issues of failed impeachment and all that.
No. You know, we're here through...
You're out of order.
At the times, can you please switch off that mic?
Again, the last time, I'm not going to ask this again. Because 2025 from the OAG, was it or was it not responded to?
I think it is a question of being honest with ourselves, Mr. Chairman. And
please.
Just a minute.
No, Chair.
Just a minute, Senator Morgan.
You know, Chairman, you know, to enable us make progress, and I believe OAG, you can clarify if I'm right. You asked for documents so that you were able to clarify issues in your audit report, okay? That's why you began by asking, were you given documents? Now, we will not make any headway in this meeting unless we get either an answer or an explanation why there was no response on that letter that was written by OAG. Because as we need to be very clear on our mandate as a committee. If we go to other side shows, we will not make progress. Because why we are not progressing is the audit.
Fair enough.
Yeah,
Fair enough.
simple.
Dr. Ilego.
Yeah, I think it's simple. The clerk needs just to say in one word whether he responded to the letter or not.
The invitation.
Just don't give us stories.
Yeah,
Don't-
the invitation. Audit recommendations were sent from the Senate, and I responded to the Senate.
Sorry.
But
Actually, Chair,
copy-
actually the
by
truth of
way,
the matter
and
is,
and copy
yes.
to Auditor General.
even engaged. So what we were trying to do is to try and help the county assembly of Isiolo to perhaps maybe on their own or Office of the Auditor General or through ESC, instruct whatever documents you're saying of just acknowledging whether a letter was responded to or not responded to.
Well, I think
We are,
yes, Senator Gataya.
Chair, we are engaged in a shouting match. No. You know, we have two camps that are really trying to fight with themselves. The speaker is raising his hand, the clerk. Yeah, because if we have no document, the OAG rather.
Actually, Mr. Chairman, because oh, sorry, Mr. Chairman, like there appears to be two camps. There's only one camp of headed by the Speaker.
There,
Yes.
for the sake of this meeting, what we want is to just get answers to this. We don't have the documents because they are destroyed, they are carted away. I don't know what. Back, and I think it was a good proposal from Senator Wambua that the documents. If there are invoices, I don't know if it can be done treasury, that or auditor. Get documents, something like that, so that we have these queries answered to. We're getting a headway, okay? For the politics of Isiolo, hii mtapiga huko, siasa mtapiga huko kabisa. But here we want just to be focused. We want to buy it narrowly and deeply. We have the option of biting widely and biting small, then you biting very wide and you go shallow. That's why I'm just focusing on that, Dr. Lengwe.
Chair, I wanted to ask to the one you wrote to the clerk of the county